Hey, thanks for coming to our Strictly Apple YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a replacement of a screen, back glass, and the battery in this iPhone 12 Pro Max. This requires you to take apart the entire phone and put it all back together without missing a single screw. There is a lot that goes into the process of doing this repair the correct way without having any issues when putting it back together. So please pay attention and we'll get through this the next few minutes.
Run it up.
So if you've made it this far, you notice how important detail is in replacing any Apple device. This specific device takes a little bit longer than what you actually think, especially with having to take the back frame apart.
Run it up.
If you're going to do this at home, please pay attention to the detail that my tech puts into working with this device. And let us know in the comments below what devices you would like to see here on our channel. so make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one so that you'll be good to go.